Hello, Assalamualaikum. Yes, you see cauliflower on my table because that's what I'm cooking for tonight's dinner with some spinach, and I will make some fish with it. This is flounder. It's on room temperature now. It was frozen, so I let it thaw for it's like 2 hours already. So that's pretty good now. Alrighty, so you remember the breadcrumbs I made in Ramadan? I'm still using them. So I'm going to coat my fish on both sides. I'm going to spread it in the plate and then coat the fish and then leave it on the leftover breadcrumbs. So the longer it stays in it, the better the breadcrumbs will cling to it. Okay. Okay, one down, three more to go. So this one is ready. Let's put it on the side and let me do the rest. Okay, all fish is coated now with the homemade breadcrumbs. I will post the link so you can know what is in the breadcrumbs. Now let's get to the cauliflower. Cut the stems off and then cut it deep down to the flower part. Okay, when you cut deep like that from underneath the stem, you don't have to cut the flower because it turns into little pieces, because all the flowers are made out of small pieces and the stem holds them together. So there you go. If you cut deep enough, you under the stem, so your job gets easier. Why I'm cutting it so small? Because I'm going to replace that for rice. I'm not making rice or roti. I'm just going to make the cauliflower and fish. That's it. So here you go. One more piece. Cut down underneath the stem. Okay. A little more and the flower will fall apart. There you go. All right. So this is done now. I'm going to use garlic to make the cauliflower. I'm going to use the onion to fry the fish. It's not exactly fries. 2 spoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to let the onion start changing its color a little bit. When the color is changing, I will place the fish on it. So half a teaspoon of salt, make sure it's even because I'm placing the fish on top of it. While the onion is browning underneath, the fish will be cooking at the same time. So I like the taste of onion with my fish. There you go. And this flounder frozen, so it's bound to shrink. I think the fish from the fish market, the fresh one, does not shrink that much, but the frozen one, when you thaw it then you cook it, it shrinks a lot. That's my experience. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Okay, squeeze the fourth piece in. It will make room. When it shrinks, you will get enough room. All right, see how it's shrinking? Onion is getting golden brown from the bottom. And turn the size. When I turn the side, I see the onion, golden onion. That's so good. Okay, both sides are done. So whatever is left in the pan now, this is where I'm going to cook the cauliflower with a little bit garlic. So no more oil. Whatever we use for the fish is what it is. Add the cauliflower. Okay. And half a cup of water to make some steam in the pan. And it's like half a teaspoon of mint, half a teaspoon of ajwain seeds, and half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon or less of paprika, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. If you don't have lemon pepper, squeeze half lemon and add some freshly ground black pepper and you got your lemon pepper. I like the taste of lemon pepper in cauliflower like that. Okay, cauliflower looks good. Gobi looks good. That's pul gobi. Pul means flower and gobi is cabbage. So we call it pul gobi. There you go. If you want to cut the spinach, go ahead, but I don't mind making it like that. This is soft baby spinach, so it takes few minutes. If you want to cut it before, you can cut it and then add it. Okay, that's done. It smells good, tastes good. Okay, I think that's about it. The water is evaporated, so we are ready to serve. We have the fish with some tomatoes and some cauliflower with spinach, and dinner is ready. Don't forget to subscribe. I added a little cucumber for you. So who's coming over? Come on, let's eat. Bismillah. Okay, let me know how I'm doing. Thank you. Make it, enjoy it. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.